Hello, welcome to my full course about ChatGPT. So, if you haven't heard of ChatGPT already, it's essentially a large language model built on top of OpenAI on the GPT 3.5 technology. So, essentially, what this allows you to do is ask it long form questions in a human format, and it will reply in a human like quality. So, I can ask it, for example, to explain quantum computing in simple terms, and it will provide an answer within 1 second. So here it is typing quantum computing is a type of computing that uses quantum mechanical phenomena such as superposition and entanglement to perform operations on data. I wouldn't say that that's in simple terms per se, but obviously it's a very complicated topic that a lot of physicists don't even fully understand. But that's just one example. For this course, I'm going to be showing how to use ChatGPT to make money online because there's a ton of videos that are popping up all over YouTube on this exact topic. And that's one of the reasons I'm deciding to create this course, just to show how to use it to do things that most people would want to do anyway. So I can simply ask, what are some of the best ways to make money online? And within 2-3 seconds, it will come up with an answer with a few ideas. So these are some of the topics we're going to be discussing throughout this course. Starting a blog or website using ChatGPT, sell products or services on an e-commerce website. This one I'm not going to be talking about so much, but this can also be done with ChatGPT. Affiliate marketing, offering freelance services on Upwork or Fiverr, participating in online surveys, and also, let's see if it's included here. It didn't mention it, but specifically selling ebooks and creating online courses. So this is something that I'm already doing using ChatGPT. I've created my own ebook, which I've put up for sale on Amazon, Gumroad, and some other platforms as well. That's something I'm going to show you how to do, as well as just how to use ChatGPT to ask the right questions. It can even write code too. So I can say, write code for an HTML website. Oh, remote job board, for example. So it's actually going to type out the code, which you would normally have to search Google for and do a lot of research, just within ChatGPT, which is pretty amazing. And this is another thing I'm going to be talking about throughout the course too, is how to find remote jobs on LinkedIn and other remote job boards using ChatGPT as well. So this is just real basic. It's just creating an HTML website with some remote jobs listed. It's not pulling from a database or anything, but there's ways to do that as well. I'm not really going to be getting into too many programming topics throughout the course, mostly just showing how to make money online with marketing and selling digital products. So those are just a few of the things we're going to talk about throughout the course. I hope you find it very helpful, and please leave a positive review if you like the course. Also, you can ask it, how does ChatGPT work? It's a variant of the GPT language model, which was trained specifically for the task of chat-based dialogue systems. It was trained on a large data set of chat logs and is able to generate human-like responses when given a prompt in the form of a chat message. And it's also important to note that ChatGPT reached about 1 million users in roughly a month, and it has a valuation of over $30 billion just in a very short period of time. So it's very important to learn how to use ChatGPT, and I already have a few examples that are already working, to make money online. So that's a few of the things we're going to be talking about throughout the course. Please enjoy, and again, leave a positive review if you find this information helpful. I really appreciate it. And yeah, let's start the course. I'll see you in the next video lesson.